Hey everyone, welcome back to the Python series. So in this video we are going to discuss about two things, that is pass by value and pass by reference concept in Python programming. So what do you think, whether Python is a pass by value type or a pass by reference type of programming language? So we are going to clear this doubt itself. So we will see what is mean by pass by value, then we will go for what is mean by pass by reference. So in Python shell we will see practically how to write the program to check whether the Python is a pass by value or pass by reference. So if you are new to the channel, please guys hit the like button and subscribe the channel, because we will be updating the Python related programs continuously. So let us start today's session. So first I will explain you what is meant by pass by value. So as you can see in the definition, pass by value is something where you are creating a duplicate data and you are giving it to the function. So if I take an example, let us say you have a main program and you want to write a function there. So you want to create a particular, or you want to get some job done, so that you are writing a function for that particular thing. Okay, so you are writing a function and you are giving a data there. So actually if the Python is a pass by value, then it will give the data, whatever data you will be giving to that function, it will take the copy of that data and give it to the function. So the manipulations which you are going to do with that data will be conformed to that definition itself. So when that variable come out of that particular definition, its value will be again assigned as it is, that is which you have assigned previously. So this concept will be clear when you go to the practical things. So when I show you the practically the how the program is working, so don't worry now itself. Okay, so that's the thing about pass by value. So the main point which you want to keep in your mind whenever you are talking about pass by value is, actually in pass by value we are creating a duplicate of the data and we are passing it to the function. Whereas if you come to the pass by reference, that is second case, here we will be passing the actual data. So as we know, Python is a object oriented program. So the two variables which are using, that is the first one in the main program and the second one in the definition, that is function, they will be pointing to the same object or the same memory space which is created by the Python. So whatever changes you are doing in the function, they will be reflected back in the main program. So it is opposite of the pass by value. So if you make some changes to the variable in the function, then those changes will be permanent and they will be reflected back in the main program also. So we will try to find out whether the Python is a pass by value or a pass by reference. So we know that C is a pass by value, so the changes which you do to a particular segment are conformed to that segment itself in C programming. So for Python we will see. So let me just open the Python shell quickly. So here it is. Okay, so I am using the latest version 3.8.3. So now I will open the new file. So this is the new file and I'm going to show you this example with the help of dictionaries. Okay, so I will create a dictionary called my dictionary. Okay, so this is a dictionary which I want to create and I will just include some random elements in this one. Let us say first I will include school. Okay, so I will give a key value that is 1, and then I will include another item, that is college, and let me just give a key value of 2. Like this I will be defining some 5 elements. I will take next element as pen and then I will give it as 3. So then let me just take a fourth element, that is, let us say paper, then I will name it as 4, and then I will take a fifth element, that is pencil, and let me just name it as fifth element. Okay, so this is the fifth element which I have taken. So this is my dictionary. Okay, then what I will do, define a function. So def let us say hi. It's a function name, you can give anything, so I given it as hi. Then it will take the arguments my dictionary. So this is the parameter which I am passing to this function, and to get inside that function I will put a colon here. Oops. I will put a colon here so that I will be getting inside that function. So now let us say I have some other elements which I want to that particular dictionary, that is my dictionary. So I have left previously, but I want to add it now. So what I can do, I will define another dictionary, that is my new dictionary. Okay, so my new dictionary, and I will define some elements in this one as well. So first element, let us say sketch. Okay, so I will name it as 6, and the next element I want to define is, let us say paint. I will define, then I will name it as 7. So these are the two elements which I have left, so I will be defining now. So this is I'm doing intentionally to explain you how the concept of pass by value and pass by reference is working. So I will just now do one thing. I will update the my dictionary now. So I will write my dictionary dot update. So I will update this one. So what to what I want to update? So my dictionary is this one, that is original, and I want to update this one with the new dictionary. So I will write my new dictionary. So I will update my dictionary with the new dictionary. Then I will print the statement here. So I will say print, print the content inside the function is this one, so that is my dictionary. Okay, so this is the content which is inside the function, and to come out of this one I will just write return. So whatever I am writing, it will be clear in just a few seconds. Okay, so then I will call this function. So hi, I will pass the argument my dictionary for this one. So this is the argument which I am passing. Then I will print a statement saying what is the content outside. So content outside the function. So I'll just put a colon, and then what I want to print is my dictionary, right? So my dictionary I want to print. Alright, so let me just run this program and then I will explain you. So let me just save this one. So let us say LL is the name for this one. Alright, so I will just run this one. So as you can see, the content inside the function are school, college, pen, paper, pencil, sketch and paint. So the two elements, which is sketch and paint, which I have added later, it has been successfully added to the previous, that is my dictionary. So content outside the function is same as that of the content inside the function. So from this I can conclude that the changes which I am doing in the function are reflected in the main program. So I can say that the Python is a type of pass by reference type of language, because if it is a pass by value type of language, then the changes should not be reflected in the main program. They should be confined to the definition, that is the function hi. Okay, but that's not the case. So I will just make some other changes here. So I will just update, I will write like this. So I will not define my new dictionary. So instead of new, I will just define it as my dictionary itself. So let us see what will happen this time. So I have to remove new here also. Okay, so I'm removing new now. Then what will happen, let us see. So now you can see the content inside the function is sketch and paint. The content outside the function is school, college, pen, paper and pencil. So now the result is different. So what is this? Okay, you can ask. So the thing here is that whenever you are using the same variable, that is my dictionary here and my dictionary here, the concept of local and global variable comes into picture. So if once you call this function, that is hi my definition my dictionary, then it will take these variables as the input initially, and once you write this one, that is my dictionary, that is sketch 6 and paint 7. So it, as it is a object oriented programming language, it will take the same object, that is my dictionary, and assign these elements. So on the top of this one, it will be writing sketch equal to sketch 6 and paint 7. So it will erase these things and it will write sketch and paint, because it is pointing to the same object, that is my dictionary and my dictionary in the same. So this will be like a local variable for this function, and this is the global variable for this whole program. So it will give preference to the local variable rather than global variable inside this function. Note that it will be giving the preference to the local variable only inside that function. So whenever it comes out of this function, then it will give more preference to the global variable, so that it will be printing this string in case of this print statement, and it will print this string, that is my dictionary, inside this print function. So here is the concept of global and a local variable. So I can say at the end, or else I can take another example, so if the concept is not clear. So let me just delete these things and I will write a new program here itself. So let me just delete, and I will define let us say define my function. So I will write my function. Okay, so this is the definition of my function, and I will pass here list1. So this is the parameter which I am passing. Then I will write print, and inside this string I will write values inside the function. So inside the function, then I will print my list here. So values inside the function, and I want to create my list. Alright, so whatever I will be giving in the list, I will be printing that one. So oops, not my list, I want to print the list one. So list one I want to print. Alright, so now I will move on, and I will append something to the list. So let me just write my list itself, so that it will be not confusing. So I will write my list, and I want to print my list all here. So this is my list itself. Okay, so then I will append something to my list. So my list at the position 2 I want to append, so I will write 2, which is equal to 50. So I want to append 50 at the index value 2. So then I will write another print statement saying that let us say values inside the function after changes. So values inside the function after changes have been done. So then I will again print the my list. So my list I will be printing. Then I will write return to end this function and come to the main program. So now I will define the my list. So what is my list? I will just define my list will be something like this. So it contains some elements, let us say 10, 20 and 30. Okay, so these are the elements which are there in the my list, and I will call this function, that is my function. I am calling it, and I will pass the variables, that is parameters, my list for this one. So I will pass this one as the input for the my that is function, the my function, and I will print the I will print the values, that is values outside the function. So let us see what will it do if I print like this. So I will just print the my list itself here again. I will just save this one and run this code. Okay, so as you can see in the output, values inside the function are 10, 20, 30, and values inside the function after changes have been done are 10, 20 and 50, because we are appending the 50 at a index value of 2. So as you can see, for 10th, for the value 10, the index value will be 0, and for value 20, the index value will be 1, and for 30, the index value will be 2. So it will be starting from 0 and increasing. And as you can see, inside the function the value has been changed to 10, 20, 50, and values outside the function has also been changed to 10, 20, 50. So from this last two results, I can say that Python is a call by reference type of programming language. It is not a call by value type of reference language. So whatever changes you are doing in the function, they are reflected back in the main program. So that's why it is called as a object oriented programming, because it will be pointing to a particular object, whether you are in the function or you are in the main program. So that's all about the concept of pass by value and pass by reference, and I hope you understood. So if you understood, it is well and good, and if you don't understand, watch this video 2 3 times, then you will definitely understand, and google for more of your doubts, because we will be not able to cover all the concepts. Okay, so I have covered two examples, and that's all about today's second. So we'll meet in the next video. So up till that, bye. So if you are new to the channel, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel, because we will be uploading the videos continuously on Python programming. So thank you, thanks for watching.